Hey guys, quick video. I'm going to try these ModRax. I got these on Amazon.com. The link will be up in the description. They're for the SCX 30, so I'm gonna try it on the Buggy 30. So I'm gonna try adding them to this, see how well they go. Online they've got mixed reviews, but they're kind of cool. So internal spring shocks. So I'll try them and see how well they do performance-wise against the Endura. All right, new shocks. They look good. Not sure how they're gonna hold up. Internal springs, kind of bouncy. Not sure how they're gonna hold up compared to the Enduras, but let's take a test drive. It definitely sits a lot lower. I don't know if I switch out the springs to a stiffer one, if I could find it, will be better, but we'll see. We'll do the normal trial. They definitely look good on this truck. Oh. Nope, that did not work. Let's go back up and try it again. See if I'll get up this. Shouldn't have any problems getting up, but yeah, it's definitely, we'll see the articulation right here, guys, on this rock and see what we got here. Well, you definitely got some good articulation there. See the rear tire. I just think they're a little weaker of a shock. We'll give her the test. It's not bad, definitely sits a lot lower. But again, I probably could test out the other springs that came with this if there's any more stiff. Handle that pretty well, which is nice. Yeah, I don't mind them. And they really look good on this truck. I know on Amazon they have mixed reviews that they break easy, which I could see. They're pretty thin. But we'll stress test them until they break. Alright. Here's the articulation section. Let's see about going down a hill. Oh yeah, not bad, guys. Now we'll try a couple more sections. In all, they're not terrible. I don't know if they're better than the Enduras. I don't think they are, but they're holding up. Try to get it over to the other side. Always has issues on this side. There we go. Not bad. Yeah, I'm liking it. I like these shocks. Alright, we'll finish up right here. Going up the steep climb. This thing usually doesn't have any problems getting up. Uh-oh. Yeah, the front end is definitely sticking way up with these. See if we can get that down. There we go. There we go. There we go. No worries. All right, guys, the new shocks, they look pretty good. In the description, let me know your thoughts. Again, you can check it out. I'll have a link to where I got these. A little bit more pricey than the Enduras, only by a couple bucks. It does bounce a little bit, but I don't know. We'll keep testing her out and see how well they do. Until the next one, guys, thanks for watching.